I'm very sad.
What?
All these people.
So we just came back from the market and we bought some things that we are gonna eat. The typical Filipino food for lunch. Watch out.
Thanks for all your support. Merry Christmas.
So we're having coffee time and we're having this typical Filipino snacks, sweets.
Yummy, yummy.
What is it?
This is called torta. This is kuchinta. This is cassava cake. This is sapin-sapin and this is palitaw.
Bausha, what are you doing?
I'm wrapping presents for a Christmas party
Celebration
tomorrow
party.
for
Vineyard. And we're going to do Christmas
games.
shopping.
Yes. We're gonna do a Christmas shopping game. Like you have to bring presents.
People.
Yeah, with the vineyard people, and we're gonna bring presents. Put all the presents together, and then one by one, one person can take a present.
I'm gonna steal the present from each other.
You can steal present from each other. Yes.
Is it delicious?
Yes. Oh, it's yours.
And later today we're gonna go into a lichen farm or something where they roast pork and stuff.
Roast.
And we're going today, not tomorrow. They are all going to buy it for Christmas, and that is very big. So yes, stay tuned.
1 hour later.
So we're letting Samuel pick a name first because he's still sick. Unfortunately, we hope that he will be better very soon.
See you in a bit, Samuel. And we're not yet sure when we are going to do the Christmas shopping. Maybe it's Vivian and the kids only because I'm extremely busy still.
Samuel already picked.
Yeah.
Yay! Kahan ipon? Hubutan mo dan?
Oh, puta na ang mabiling yan.
Exciting! Maya, are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah. Wow! Hey, but I'm going to see that, eh? I'm going to edit. Yeah, Mariah, I've been ready.
Tell anybody.
Here's ours.
I just pick behind it, baby.
Yeah?
Para.
Yung may
Yeah!
Happy naman. Ha?
Continue watching.
2 hours later.
I was asking if I have to boil the sausage first and then fry it, or I only need to boil it. Because I just found out that they use the plastic cellophane nowadays, so you can't fry it in a plastic cellophane, right?
Of course not. But that is for the Filipino lunch.
Yeah, actually a Filipino breakfast, which we are going to eat for lunch.
Yeah, we didn't have breakfast anyway, so
Yeah, so
need some snack.
this is longanisa. I'm gonna boil it first and then I'm gonna fry it. And we
then?
have a chorizo here, which I boiled already and fry later. And this is tapa. I fry this one, and this one also I fry. This is tocino. And we're gonna eat it with sunny side up egg.
So,
Mata carbaw.
Stay
Stay tuned.
tuned.
Chorizo is frying. Longanisa is boiling. No, I'm frying the tapa, which is actually from beef. The original tapa from before is actually a dried beef meat. And it's like sweetie taste.
Wow, look how beautiful.
It's like a barbecue, eh?
But what about one egg only?
No, one egg at a time. Small pans.
So you get the stool, that one?
This one.
Yeah, and Papa's laptop still has to go out of the way. Oh, and Mama fried eggs and everything. So what can we take, Mama?
Take one piece of each.
No, all of you, one sausage, one whatever. But some are big,
Ooh.
Mama.
The biggest one you don't take, eh?
Can I already eat it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
You
So,
try it. Eat it with your rice.
And you eat it with your rice, yeah, and show if you like it or not. Yeah, the rice, I mean the meat.
Yeah, he put the meat first in
I
his
think
mouth.
he said delicious. Yeah. So this is
That is longanisa.
longanisa.
I'm gonna eat this one.
Sweet a bit. I know this from long ago. I have not eaten it for a long time. Good, very nice, delicious. Yes, but I think this one is the most interesting. So Mariah, what do you
That
think?
is tocino.
Somebody's joining.
Even though
He
he's not.
feels a bit better. Yeah, because he just took Panadol, paracetamol. So he feels a bit better. So he
Still
can
hot,
eat.
eh?
Yummy,
Still hot.
delicious Filipino food.
What?
Delicious Filipino food.
So,
Yummy.
if you're in Holland or in the States or in a cold country and you feel cold, sit next to Samuel at the moment. Because he's steaming. No, it's-
If you want to bake cookies.
yeah. But the food. What about you?
Delicious.
Very delicious, yeah? Dat is het, ja. Ja, hè?
They're not twins.
I want to taste this one.
What about you,
Ja,
Mariah?
eat.
Yes?
Oh.
But we can't buy that
I
very much.
like this one very much.
The tocino.
Yeah. I haven't tried this one yet. But this is beef.
Yeah.
That one is not.
The tocino you can actually make with chicken.
Oh, and then when are we going to do the bucket, eh? We also still, and I'm not sure if I can join, we also still need to shop for Christmas Eve, for the presents, for the family, and 3 of us also. So,
One. Let's use this one.
what are you eating?
One.
Go.
Ready, steady, go.
Eat.
It's not a challenge. It's so delicious.
So, what about Filipino food?
It's so delicious.
Hmm?
It's so delicious.
Hmm? Yes?
This one I don't like. This one.
So Samuel, even though you feel sick, how's the taste?
It's nice.
What about this girl?
It's delicious. Filipinos can make delicious food.
Yeah?
This one?
So, your Filipino mama at least. Mama knows how to cook. And what about this one? This one is doing funny now. But the Filipinos, they don't eat with the hands when they eat this?
They also eat, but a lot nowadays.
You know, yeah, because now they get symbolized. And then the restaurant eats with the hands. Because, seriously, yeah? But especially with eating curry or other food,
This.
when you eat it with your hands, it is tastier, different. Just try it at home.
Yeah, and you eat more, they say.
Yeah. And then, no, eat more at home. So, ignore the mom, because now you don't want to eat more, because you don't want to eat more, you don't want to get fat.
Okay, Sha, go ahead.
But, it's very delicious.
Mariah's done. Bar is done.
I'm so sad.
So we cannot eat
I'm very
everything.
sad.
What?
All these people who don't eat meat. Well, of course have your reasons, but
So sad.
I do know you can make nice meals without
Meat.
meat. But for me, meat is so nice.
How can you have a barbecue without meat?
Look.
Oh, Vivian, you comment down below if you can have a barbecue without meat.
No. Look.
Let Vivian know if you can.
Look.
Yeah?
I've eaten my thing. There's
Yeah,
no
Mario also finished.
rice.
Want unlimited rice?
No. There's no rice on my plate.
Oh, have you seen that our video at Eat South? Unlimited rice. That we're eating unlimited rice and
Barbecue
to
chicken.
see who won. And
And it was
yeah. So
Abby's still enjoying.
I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please. Like.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, sorry, Oma again. My mother will again comment.
Here, this too.
So, but he's born. They have lived in Malaysia for a long time.
5
He's
years.
born in Malaysia. So the
Born in
Malaysians,
Malaysia.
many
born in
Malaysians
Indonesia.
eat. Even presenting a food program, they will eat like that. Sedap. Delicious.
Don't say anything.
So,
Oh, no.
mommy, we have been living half our life in Asia, many years in Malaysia.
So, boom!
But it's better to keep your mouth closed and to eat with your mouth empty.
So, how do you do it in Dutch? Do you want to see a accident in a tunnel?
No, we don't.
No, we don't do it today. Not today. Next vlog, yeah?
How to eat with your mouth empty? Papa said
With
that.
your mouth
Eat with
empty?
your mouth empty.
No, talk with your mouth empty, he meant.
Oh, talk with your mouth empty, yeah. Okay. Raghu, can you help?
What?
Go.
Come. If you haven't subscribed yet, where can they subscribe? Here where you can subscribe. Here's from vlog. This special vlog for you. So continue watching. Ding-a-ling, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. All the fun that's around you on our open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Never empty because you have Steve and